Are you looking for a new laptop that's not only powerful but also eco-friendly? Introducing the Acer Aspire Vero AV15-51-7617 green PC. The keyboard is backlit, allowing you to work in any lighting condition. The touchpad is precise and responsive, making it easy to navigate your work. It has a variety of ports, including USB-C and HDMI, allowing you to connect to multiple devices. 11th General Intel Core i7-1195G7 processor and Intel Iris Z graphics. This laptop can handle demanding tasks such as video editing, gaming, and more. It has 16GB DDR4 RAM and a 512GB SSD, giving you plenty of space to store your files and run multiple applications at once. As its name suggests, this laptop is eco-friendly. It's made with PCR materials, and it comes with a Vero sleeve, which is made from recycled plastic bottles. If you want a powerful and eco-friendly laptop, the Acer Aspire Vero AV15-51-7617 green PC is the perfect choice. Get yours today and experience its impressive features.